Guten Tag, rail enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the heart of Germany on the Mansfeld Railway. Join us as we uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this historic railway route. Introduction to the Mansfeld Railway. The Mansfeld Railway, nestled in the Mansfeld region of Saxony-Anhalt, Germany, is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Unknown to many, this railway route holds a wealth of history, culture, and natural beauty, offering passengers an unforgettable journey through the heart of the German countryside. Historical significance. The Mansfeld Railway has a rich historical significance that dates back to the 19th century. This railway played a vital role in transporting ore from the Mansfeld mining region to industrial centers across Germany, fueling the country's industrial revolution and economic growth. Scenic landscapes. As the Mansfeld Railway winds its way through the countryside, passengers are treated to breathtaking views of rolling hills, lush forests, and quaint villages. Unknown to many, this scenic route offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life, allowing travelers to reconnect with nature and unwind amidst serene landscapes. Engineering marvels. The Mansfeld Railway boasts impressive engineering feats that showcase the ingenuity of German railway engineers. This railway route features tunnels, viaducts, and bridges that traverse challenging terrains, demonstrating the remarkable engineering prowess required to construct and maintain such a vital transportation link. Cultural heritage. Along the Mansfeld Railway, passengers have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the region's rich cultural heritage. The Mansfeld region is renowned for its traditional crafts, folk music, and festivals, offering travelers a glimpse into the vibrant cultural tapestry of Saxony-Anhalt. Industrial legacy. The Mansfeld Railway played a crucial role in the region's industrial development, particularly in the mining and metallurgical industries. Unknown to many, the railway facilitated the transportation of iron ore, copper, and other minerals from the Mansfeld mining district to processing plants and markets, contributing significantly to the local economy and industrial prowess. Historic stations. Along the Mansfeld Railway, passengers can discover a variety of historic railway stations that reflect the architectural styles of different eras. Unknown to many, these stations serve as tangible reminders of the railway's past, with their distinctive facades, ornate details, and vintage signage evoking a sense of nostalgia and charm. Cultural landmarks. The Mansfeld Railway passes by several cultural landmarks and points of interest that showcase the region's cultural and historical significance. Unknown to many, these landmarks include medieval castles, historic churches, and traditional villages, providing passengers with opportunities for sightseeing and exploration along their railway journey. Folklore and legends. The Mansfeld region is steeped in folklore and legends that have been passed down through generations. Tales of mythical creatures, legendary figures, and supernatural phenomena add an element of mystery and intrigue to the landscape traversed by the Mansfeld Railway, sparking the imagination of travelers and locals alike. Environmental conservation efforts. The Mansfeld Railway is committed to environmental conservation and sustainable practices. Efforts such as wildlife habitat restoration, carbon offset programs, and eco-friendly train operations are implemented to minimize the railway's ecological footprint and preserve the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. Geological wonders. The Mansfeld region is home to unique geological formations and natural wonders. Geological features such as limestone cliffs, karst landscapes, and mineral springs can be observed from the windows of the Mansfeld Railway, providing passengers with a glimpse into the Earth's geological history and diversity. Agricultural heritage. Agriculture has long been a cornerstone of the Mansfeld region's economy and identity. The Mansfeld Railway passes through fertile farmland, vineyards, and orchards that produce a variety of crops and culinary delights, showcasing the agricultural heritage and culinary traditions of Saxony-Anhalt. Literary connections. The Mansfeld region has inspired poets, writers, and artists throughout history. Literary figures such as Goethe, Schiller, and Theodor Fontane drew inspiration from the landscapes, people, and folklore of the Mansfeld region, leaving behind a rich literary legacy that continues to resonate with readers and travelers today. Wellness tourism. The Mansfeld region is known for its spa towns and wellness resorts that offer rejuvenating experiences for travelers seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. The Mansfeld Railway provides convenient access to these wellness destinations, allowing passengers to embark on wellness retreats and therapeutic treatments amidst the tranquil surroundings of Saxony-Anhalt. Astronomical observatories. The Mansfeld region is home to astronomical observatories and stargazing sites that offer breathtaking views of the night sky. The Mansfeld Railway provides opportunities for travelers to visit these observatories and participate in astronomy tours and stargazing events, immersing themselves in the wonders of the cosmos. Cultural festivals. Throughout the year, the Mansfeld region hosts a variety of cultural festivals and events that showcase its vibrant heritage. Unknown to many, these festivals include folk music performances, traditional dances, and culinary fairs, providing passengers with a taste of authentic local culture and hospitality. Artistic retreats. The Mansfeld region has attracted artists, writers, and musicians seeking inspiration in its scenic landscapes and tranquil surroundings. Unknown to many, the Mansfeld Railway serves as a gateway to artistic retreats and creative workshops, where travelers can immerse themselves in artistic pursuits and connect with like-minded individuals. Geological diversity. The Mansfeld region boasts a diverse range of geological formations, including caves, rock formations, and mineral deposits. Unknown to many, the Mansfeld Railway offers glimpses of these geological wonders as it meanders through the countryside, providing passengers with opportunities for geological exploration and discovery. Industrial architecture. Along the Mansfeld Railway, passengers can admire the architectural legacy of the region's industrial heritage. Unknown to many, historic factories, warehouses, and industrial complexes line the railway route, serving as reminders of the region's industrial past and architectural innovation. Culinary delights. The Mansfeld region is renowned for its culinary delights, including hearty stews, artisanal cheeses, and freshly baked bread. Unknown to many, the Mansfeld Railway offers onboard dining experiences featuring locally sourced ingredients and traditional recipes, allowing passengers to savor the flavors of Saxony-Anhalt as they travel through the picturesque countryside. Vineyard heritage. The Mansfeld region is home to picturesque vineyards and wineries that produce award-winning wines. Unknown to many, the Mansfeld Railway passes through wine-growing regions where passengers can sample local varietals and learn about the region's winemaking traditions. Sports and recreation. The Mansfeld region offers a wide range of outdoor activities for adventure enthusiasts. Unknown to many, the Mansfeld Railway provides access to hiking trails, cycling routes, and nature reserves, allowing passengers to engage in outdoor sports and recreational pursuits amidst the scenic beauty of Saxony-Anhalt. Folk medicine practices. The Mansfeld region has a long history of folk medicine practices that are still preserved and practiced today. The Mansfeld Railway passes through villages and towns where herbal remedies, traditional therapies, and folk healing rituals are part of the local culture and heritage. Religious heritage. The Mansfeld region is dotted with historic churches, monasteries, and pilgrimage sites that reflect its religious heritage. Unknown to many, the Mansfeld Railway offers passengers the opportunity to visit these sacred sites and explore the spiritual significance of Saxony-Anhalt's religious landmarks. Environmental education. The Mansfeld Railway is committed to environmental education and conservation efforts. Unknown to many, the railway collaborates with local schools and environmental organizations to offer educational programs, nature walks, and eco-tours that raise awareness about environmental issues and promote sustainability practices among passengers and communities. From its historical significance and scenic landscapes to its cultural heritage and engineering marvels, the Mansfeld Railway offers a unique and unforgettable journey through the heart of Germany. If you enjoyed learning about these unknown facts, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of railways. Vielen Dank. Thank you very much for watching.